The KANFOX KS2 Smart Deadbolt lock offers a versatile, keyless entry system that can store up to 50 fingerprints and 50 passwords, providing convenience for families and guests. With a rapid fingerprint recognition technology, this lock can identify and unlock in less than 1 second, ensuring quick and efficient access. The smart lock features an automatic locking mechanism that can be customized to lock between 10 to 99 seconds, enhancing security by preventing unauthorized entry. Installation is made easy with just a screwdriver, and it is compatible with most standard American doors, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Built with a robust lock cylinder and alloy, the KANFOX KS2 is designed to withstand various weather conditions while maintaining its durability and security. KANFOX provides excellent customer support with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year free replacement policy, and lifetime after-sales service.